Grapeseed oil can be a healthy option when used appropriately, but it has both advantages and considerations. Pros. Fat composition. High in polyunsaturated fats, omega-6 supports heart health by reducing LDL cholesterol when replacing saturated fats. However, excessive omega-6 without balancing omega-3 intake may promote inflammation. Low in saturated fat, healthier than oils high in saturated fats, e.g., coconut oil, butter. High smoke point, -420° F, 215° C, suitable for high-heat cooking methods like frying and sautéing without breaking down into harmful compounds. Vitamin E content. Contains antioxidants like vitamin E, which protect cells from oxidative damage. Cons and cautions. Omega-6 to omega-3 imbalance. Modern diets often skew toward omega-6, so overusing grapeseed oil without adequate omega-3s from fish, walnuts, flaxseeds, may contribute to inflammation. Processing concerns. Most grapeseed oil is refined using chemicals or high heat, which may strip some nutrients. Opt for cold-pressed versions if possible. Caloric density. Like all oils, it is calorie-dense, 120 calories, TBSP, so moderation is key to avoid weight gain. Comparison to other oils. Olive oil, higher in monounsaturated fats, anti-inflammatory, and polyphenols, making it a top choice for heart health, but lower smoke point, best for low or medium heat. Avocado oil, similar smoke point to grapeseed oil, but richer in monounsaturated fats. Verdict. Grapeseed oil is a versatile, heart-healthy option for high-heat cooking, provided it's used in moderation and balanced with omega-3 sources. For optimal health, prioritize oils like extra virgin olive oil for daily use and reserve grapeseed oil for frying or baking. Always check for minimally processed varieties.